Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well. I'm back, guys, with Textbot with the new update announcement. Okay, so I want to talk about that real briefly and go over a few other things with you. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me if you haven't done that, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's talk about the new announcements. So I'm going to go over, let's take a look at the email that the CEO sent out. He also did a live in our Facebook group. If you're already a member of Textbot, make sure you go to the Facebook group and check it out yourself. But we'll go over and read that email for the new updates that's going to be effective March 1st. Okay, so Textbot, you definitely want to get in this. If you're not in it, get in it. If you're in it and you're at the Ava Basic, you definitely want to upgrade because the time is now. Okay, so let's go take a look at that email. Check it out. Okay, this is the live for everybody that didn't go to the back office and join the Facebook group. Make sure you do that. Go in the Facebook group and check out this live that the CEO actually did the other night, and he went over all the new updates. I'm only going to cover the Ava+ deal. He did state here we've got new capture page video, as you can see on the screen here. It's going to be 2 minutes. New Ava sales video and sales page. It'll be about a 13-minute video. And then a new Ava+ sales video and sales page, about 20 minutes. It's going to actually break down everything. Okay, so this is going to be very good stuff. It's going to be a high converting funnel. Okay, so you definitely want to upgrade. For those of you that's already in Textbot, make sure you upgrade, guys. As you can see on the screen, it tells you March 1st. Okay, so go ahead and do that. For those of you that's already on my team and you have questions, feel free to give me a call, reach out to me, and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, so let's check out that email. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this portion of it. As of March 1st, he says you're going to want to watch the live he did, okay, for all the members. But yep, he says March 1st, that soon, and your chance to get the Yes Machine. That's the $1,000 product that he has. But right here, okay, there's also a lot of really important changes and enhancements to the entire model going live or before, but he gave a date of March 1st, depending on how quickly the funnel gets completed. Okay, so March 1st, guys, is your deadline. So please, I really hate for people to lose those commissions. Okay, so if you're already in Textbot, go ahead and upgrade, because it goes to $750. Okay, it's going to go to $750 as of March 1st. So call my number, go through the process, get started, get signed up, 845-253-6408. So we have the Ava Basic. Okay, that's the one right now. It's going to be $150 plus $10. Okay, $160 right now to have the Textbot system at the Ava Basic. Now to get the Ava+, you'd really be looking at, if you want to just go all in on both of those, you'd be looking at the $160 plus the $500. But for those of you that and just want to upgrade, you're going to pay that $500. Now, as of March 1st, that $500 goes away. It goes to $750, guys. Now, he stated that they are going to have a one-time offer upfront video when you try to go in there, and it's going to give people the chance to pay that $500. If not, they won't get a chance again to get that deal, and it goes to $750 if they ever try to go back and get the Ava+. It's going to be $750. So I would hate for you guys to miss that commission. So definitely want to upgrade. Now, my two, I want to talk about the marketing systems I use. I use the Conversion Pros and I use MCP. I'm going to put the links below for those so you can go check them out. So when you join me, I have share codes for the Conversion Pros. For those of you that will be interested in the Conversion Pros, it's $50 a month. Everybody you refer to the Conversion Pros, you receive $25. They pay every Friday, And as long as someone keeps their membership, they pay that $50, you will get 25 every time they pay the 50. That's it. That's the comp plan. And you have unlimited capture pages, okay? And a whole lot more. I did a video on that. I'll put that link below so you can go check it out if you haven't. And then MCP, go check that page out, mobilemoney.ws. That one's more of a plug and play. It's already set up. It's really done for you. All you need to do is tie your Textbot link to it, and it's set up pretty much, okay? But if you want flexibility and you want creativity, or if you want any of those capture pages that I created, you join me in the Conversion Pros and get my share code, okay? I already have the autoresponder set up for those as well, okay? So those are the two systems that I recommend. The MCP system is $19.95 a month plus $10 setup. The way that one works is you refer 3 people and they give you 1 month free. As long as 3 people remain active, you get another month free. That's how they do that. There's no compensation that goes with the MCP marketing system. All right. Okay, guys. So if you're looking for a simple way to make money online, simply share the phone number. This is the perfect opportunity for you. Very simple. No talking, no hassle. No selling. Just share your number or share your links that you're given and let the system do the selling and telling for you. Okay. I'm going to put my number here on the screen. I want you to go dial it, sign up with me today, get started. Give me a call. I'll be happy to speak with you, discuss anything you want to talk about, answer your questions so we can get you in this program. 845-253-6408. Textbot AI. Okay. Is the way to go for simplicity. And remember, when you're sharing your number, Ava is also going to she's going to promote your primary business too, because you're going to be able to put a link in the back office so that you can promote your primary business too if you have another business you want to promote. So you're getting 2 for 1. Okay, sharing that number is also going to promote your other business. Remember that. She's going to be promoting Textbot and your primary business. Now you can make $100 commissions, $500 commissions, and then they've added the Yes Machine. That's going to be $1,000 commissions, guys. Sharing a phone number. So get started today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Everybody that joins me in Ava Plus, I'm going to send 200 clicks over to your page. You need to get a capture page. We'll talk about it. And let me purchase 200 clicks to go over to your page to get you started, as well as some ads I'm going to give you to help you promote with Ava Plus, because you can go in there and actually send text messages. Ava Plus allows you to send text messages to all your leads, everybody that's dialed your phone number that have opted in. Okay. Great opportunity. I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait till it goes live. Meanwhile, check this out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.
Hey, I'm Jeff. Thanks for responding to our ad, and congratulations on taking the first step toward making an extra $100 to $500 per day from home, simply sharing a phone number with others. I know your time is valuable, and I'm sure you're meeting me with some natural skepticism. So let me just reassure you that this whole thing is very real. It's already working for tens of thousands of people worldwide, and it can most certainly work for you. My name is Jeffrey Long, and I'm the CEO and founder of a successfully growing software company headquartered right here in the nation's #1 leading state for economic growth right now. That's Utah. Now, the reason that you're being invited to check this out and participate with us is because we are looking to expand our worldwide reseller team and thus bring our software opportunity and technology to many more people around the world. In fact, the technology and opportunity you're going to discover on the other side of this page has already generated over $1 million for over 50,000 of our resellers worldwide. And today, we want to invite you to join with us so that we can help you create the money that you need to feel better about your life and to live it the way that you desire. So when you enter your mobile number here on this page, you're going to get a text message from Ava, the automated virtual assistant of the person who invited you here. Ava will have a quick text chat with you to guide you to your next steps and show you exactly how to have $100, $500, and even $1,000 payments being paid directly to you daily, all while generating hot, qualified, ready to buy text messaging leads for any business. This is seriously the easiest way you'll ever discover to make your own cash online. And I'm fired up and honored to share all these exciting details with you. So once again, when you're ready, enter your mobile number to continue. And I look forward to sharing these simple steps that you need to take to start seeing $100 to $500 days as a reseller of our incredible software while generating hot, ready to buy text messaging leads for your business. It's really cool. I can't wait to share the details with you. So enter your mobile number right now, and I'm going to see you in the next video.